As you begin your research, I will recommend that you use the Gale databases. So any of these databases with the red Gale banner across the top. This is because Gale and Noodletools are best friends, and it's super easy to send your sources from Gale to Noodletools. So after you've done some searching and you've found an article that you think you might want to use in your research paper, there's a few steps you need to take in order to send that to Noodletools. First, you need to make sure you're logged in. So I'm logged into Noodletools and I've created my project, Research 2020. You can see right now that Research 2020 has 0 sources in it because I haven't sent anything to it yet. So when I go back to my source, all I need to do is hit Cite. Click on Cite, and this box is going to pop up. It'll say MLA 8th edition, export to, and you're going to click on Noodletools. Next, I need to choose where to import it to. So I want to import it to my Research 2020 project. So down here, I might have several projects in my Noodletools account. I need to make sure that I send it to the right project. So now that I've got it in the right project, I'm just going to hit Import References. It says it was successful, so I can close out of this window. When I go back to Noodletools and I click on my Research 2020 project, I can go up here to the top where it says Sources, and I'll see that that citation was put in for me. So I'm not quite done yet. I need to double check and make sure that everything is good. So I'm going to click over here on the blue button that says Options, and I'm going to go to Edit. And I'm just going to be looking for a couple things. One thing is that I need to make sure that it's a database and not a website because I got it from a Gale database. Then I'm going to scroll through. I'm going to check my capitalization, make sure everything looks okay, and that I don't see any yellow triangles. The yellow triangles are bad and they're going to mean that something is wrong. I don't see any yellow triangles, so I'm just going to hit Save on the top. Now my citation has been put into Noodletools. Everything looks good. If for some reason it doesn't look good, you will get a comment from either your teacher or from Mrs. Liebel about what you need to fix. It's your job to go in there and make sure that your citation is done correctly because this is part of your grade.